I can't find my brush. Hello? What does it look like?
Forgive me, Father, but I gotta take a chance. Oh, I'm already gone, so blessed. Pray for me.
Hey FamBam, happy Easter. I hope you're doing fantastic. Why does my voice sound thick? Anyway, I hope you're doing fantastic and I hope you've gone to church today, which is Easter. I'm hoping I'm posting this video on Easter Day because I'm filming this video on Easter Day. So for you babes in the US and the UK, anyway, yeah. If you didn't go to church for some reason, just search Pastor Stephen Furtick's sermon. There are different other sermons you can search on YouTube, okay? And if you have Apple Podcasts, go and search their podcast on Apple Podcasts, okay? Just listen to it and get your life, okay? Remember why today is significant. It's the Sunday, that is, all right? So anyway, I hope you're doing fantastic. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Esther, MsTopacJay, and yes, I'm here with my head only. I ain't got my wig on. That's because I've got a wig that I need to try on, and I'm gonna talk so fast in this video because it's 10:52 right now, and service starts in about 25 minutes. Yes, church is only it's not too far from me, okay? So I actually received this hair from ReadyWig. Yeah, ReadyWig. They emailed me. They said they want to send me hair, and I said absolutely, why not? Thank you so much, buddy, for sending this to me. And also I'm gonna do my full face beat that I did yesterday that I absolutely loved, and you guys loved it as well on Insta story as well. And it's a combination of high-end and affordable, but more so affordable products. So I can't wait to this. So that's why I'm doing this now, okay? I'm also doing affordable wig as well. So the wig came in FedEx, and this is the box right here. Ooh, look at that. That's actually really pretty. It's a pretty pink. Look at that. And I believe they gave me a code, MsTopacJay, 8% off. I think that's the code for 8% off. I'll put every relevant link down below, by the way. So this is what the box looks like. So it comes sealed. I don't have time to be opening this. I think I might just put my wig on and then go to church and then come back and finish filming the video. It's kind of squashed a little bit. But yeah, when you open it, I haven't opened it, as you can see. You have it. Oh my God, that is so cute. Spray bottle, love that. And we've got the wig. Oh, you've got a wig cap as well. Whose cap is that for? And inside it says, I love that we met and hope you enjoyed the hair. You also have a hair care instruction. This is legit. This is really, I think they're a brand new company. Are they? If you've heard of ReadyWig already, let me know down below. And on the back, you also have the relevant links as well. Okay, that's what I do first. I smell it. And this is a synthetic wig, a lace front synthetic wig. Yeah, because I think they mainly have synthetic wigs. Oh, comes protected in the net. Nice. 10:55, we're still good for time. This feels good. Oh my God, I love this lace. I was actually really nervous. I was like, oh my God, it's not going to be enough lace. Because you know, when you hear synthetic lace front, you're like, but this is really nice, actually. Look at this. And I believe this was like either $45 or something like that. And I love the inside right here. And it's got combs right here. I'm probably going to remove that middle one. And it also comes with adjustable strap as well. And I chose this color because I really want to try this color. Look at that bounce. Let me put it on. Usually I wash my wigs before I wash my extensions and whatnot before making to a wig. But this morning I don't think we got time. Oh, that is a comfortable fit. I don't even need to use the adjustable strap. I definitely need to tweeze a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna have to do this when I get back. Like I look wrong. But this is good though. Ear to ear. Hello. Whoa, hello. All right, so I'm just gonna slap my regular wig on and go to church because it's 10:56 and then continue this when I get back. Now, can I do my makeup in 10 minutes? Can I? I've done my brows. All right, hold on. Let's put this baby on. All right, here we go. We are going to do our makeup. We're going to do a simple beat. Was it simple? I don't know. The beat that I did yesterday, I've already primed my face. This is the NYX Cant Wont Stop Primer, and I mainly put it in my T-zone area. And yesterday, I actually used this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I love this stuff. And just to kind of like give me that smoother appearance right here, because this place is quite textured, and even right here as well. Foundation. This is the Maybelline Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in a shade F16 and F13.5. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply F16 just in the perimeter of my face. You can see this is deeper than my skin tone. It's a bit more red, and I'm just gonna leave that there. Yep, that's exactly why I wrap my hair, because I know I'm gonna stain it. Look at that. Do you see that? And I'm gonna apply F13.5. I love this. I love this combination right here, literally. I'm gonna apply F13.5 in the center of my face, and I'm gonna just mix it with the one right here, and it just got on my lip. Of course, why not? Get yours. Fantastic. And now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my brush, which I cannot find. Come on, I ain't got time for this. Do I have time for this? No, I do not. I can't find my brush. What's your problem? Can you come out? Come out to me. Hello? See me see trouble. I can't find anything. Found it. I'm gonna blend this out. Alright, so now I am going to go ahead and grab concealer, of course, L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer in the shade 335 Honey, and I've got foundation all over my hand. And what I've been doing with this concealer, I've been leaving it for a few minutes, by a few minutes, even sometimes 5 minutes, and it still doesn't crease, so that's good. But I've been leaving it for a bit of time before I blend it out. But before I leave it, I kind of use the doe foot applicator to kind of blend out the edge right here, to soften it a bit more so it's not looking like hella crusty, even though it doesn't, you know, but just a precaution. I'm gonna use it to prime my lid, so I'm just gonna leave that there. Actually, I think I've only used affordable products so far. The only iron product I'll be using is the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Concealer in the shade 370. I'm just gonna put a little bit right here just to kind of brighten things a little bit. Blend the concealer on my lid. Okay, I guess we have time to do that shortly because it's 11:05. Okay, I'm gonna be using the Colourpop X Makeupshayla Perception Palette, this one right here. Okay, did anyone else see her post on IG and instantly thought she got married? But sis didn't, she was a bridesmaid. And I already commented, woohoo! And then I saw her story, I was like, girl, you knew what you were doing. I am gonna go into the shade Thick, this orange shade. I'm just gonna apply that in my crease using the Morphe E22 brush. Alright, so now I'm gonna go into the shade Played Out. This one right here, and I'm gonna stamp this in my outer corner, just right here. I'm gonna blend it out. I actually cut my crease yesterday, but I'm just gonna use the shimmer shade to do that today. I don't remember what I used, but I'm gonna use the shade Spill the Tea, which is a rose gold shimmer shade, this one. And I'm grabbing the concealer brush by Ivoni and just basically applying it all over this area right here. Just gonna stamp it right here, and then I'm gonna grab the shade Diva, which is more gold shimmer shade. Okay, and just apply this in the inner corner and just kind of mix it a little bit with that rose gold shimmer shade just right here. And then I'm gonna grab Unbothered, which is a white shimmer shade, and just stamp that a little bit in the inner corner right here. And just mix that a little bit with it as well, just a bit. There we go. Look at that. It's like we cut our crease, but we didn't. Now I'm gonna grab a small smudger pencil brush. This is the M321 brush by Morphe, and I'm gonna grab the shade Titus, R.I.P. Titus. This one right here. I'm just gonna stamp it to the edge of the shimmer shade that I put on my crease, just right here, just slightly, just to deepen things a bit. All right. I think I'm Gucci. Am I? Yes, I. Ooh. Yes, I am. All right, I'm going to do the same thing to the other eyes. Fantabulous. My recording just dropped. That is so funny. All right, I'm going to apply mascara. La mascara. I think that's looking good without even cutting the crease. We just use the shimmer shade to cut the crease. That's all we need. 11:09. I've got 5 minutes. Do I have time to do this? I'm just going to grab this pointed foundation brush by Real Technique and just blend this concealer a little bit. I'm just going to tap before I go in with a sponge and just clean this edge a bit right here. I did wing liner yesterday, but I don't think I will be today. And I really liked tapping this out with a brush because it just gave it more of a seamless, even coverage finish, you know? Okay, so now I'm going to go in with a sponge and just finish it off. Elizabeth.
I see 9:30, 11:30.
That's the usual. Not Easter. I'll bring it to the car. Don't come here. I'm almost done. Okay, I really hope I didn't lose my recording because Liz was calling me. But I've now gone ahead and blended out the concealer and whatnot. So now I'm going to use a Dermablend loose setting powder in the shade Warm Saffron. I love this powder. It's in between affordable and expensive. Actually, I think, oh, let me not waste this. Let me just use this here. Hey, see? I used the brush yesterday and I loved the way that looked. I'm going to grab a bit of the powder like so and just tap. And I did my friend's makeup yesterday. This was how I applied the powder under her eyes as well. And it just looks it looked more smoother, you know? Okay, fantastic, fantabulous. Okay, we have tapped. And now I'm gonna grab my regular schmegular face powder. This is the NYX Stay Matte But Not Flat powder in the shade Cocoa. I'm just gonna grab this huge fluffy brush. Don't ask me where actually, yeah, I remember where I got it from. Primark in London for £4 a while ago. Love it. Oh, yep, there we go. Now I'm gonna grab Fenty Beauty Mocha Mami. Okay, Mocha Mami. Hey, grab a brush. This is the F21 brush by Shop Miss A. And we're gonna bronze. Yes, Mocha Mami. And blush. For the under eyes, we're gonna do lashes afterwards because we ain't got time for that. Under eyes. I'm so tired, I'm out of breath. Played Out, this one right here that I put in the outer corner. I'm gonna stamp this on the lower lash line. Okay. Mascara. I don't even know why I tried to put mascara, honestly. What am I looking for? Hey, where's the highlighter? Where's the highlighter? highlighter. Gerard Cosmetics highlighter, of course, in the shade Brigitte. Of course. See, I always go to that side. I'm about to hit pan on that side soon. But anyway, I'm just gonna tap. Actually, you know what else I did yesterday that I feel like made a lot of difference with the makeup? Like when I applied the foundation, the Revolution foundation, I went ahead and I sprayed it with this before I blended it out. And then when I blended it out and I applied my concealer, I went ahead and I sprayed it again. And then when I blended it out and I set it with a powder, I sprayed it again, you know? And I set my off as a powder, I sprayed it again, and then I applied highlighter, sprayed it again, and it was really nice. And then after I was done, I went ahead and I grabbed my MAC Fix Plus, which I haven't used in a long time, and I sprayed my face. And it wasn't like heavily matte, you know? It's still nice and glowy, but my makeup really lasted, okay? All right, I think we're good. We're Gucci here. I'm not gonna apply lashes, even though that's what makes this look. But once I come back, I will go ahead and apply lashes, and y'all will love it, okay? I'm gonna go now because I don't want to miss praise and worship. Lining my lips. I'm gonna grab the Gerard Cosmetic lip gloss in the shade Nude. Just watch. Apply this just for that glossy texture, and then I'm gonna apply the liquid lipstick and everything nice. Sugar and spice, everything nice. Lip gloss again, just a bit. This lights up, by the way. The lip gloss. I didn't do blush. I can't find. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. What's that? A hat. Crazy funky. Okay, no. Try and look like you're a nightly we be there. We did that. We see right through your funky hat. Let's get back to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on after I come back from church. God was amazing today. God showed out. It showed up through Pastor Brian today, and loved the message. It was really nice. So I put lashes on after coming back and top of my lip a bit, and now I've kind of taken off the wig, and this one is ready. I've tweezed it a little bit. I did show you guys just then. One thing I can say about this wig, it's really hard to tweeze, and I believe it's mainly because it's a synthetic hair, so it's like tweezing Barbie's hair. You know, like when you hold Barbie and you're like trying to. I didn't really have a lot of toys growing up, but this is like other people's Barbie that I played with. But anyway, you know, like when you're having, you kind of like really have to tug at it. That's basically what I experienced with this. But I think I was able to get it a little bit, you know, to look a little less wiggy and more less wiggy. Okay. But let's just use this cap. Why not? And then I am gonna go ahead and apply either foundation or powder. Let's test the powder with it first. Can I even see it? I can see it. Should I just put a foundation? And it's a center part. Oh, I should pull this up a bit more. Hey, Emma, I don't like that. Take this off, Joe. I'm so weird. I don't want it to touch my mouth because I haven't washed it yet. Okay, we'll leave it like that. Still looks quite wiggy here, don't it? It's okay. We'll be able to cover it. It looks really wiggy. I don't like how wiggy it looks. I have to keep working at it till kingdom come, you know? And I can't be bothered right now. Like with this one, you really have to like pull pieces of hair off because it's synthetic, you know what I mean? But you have to be careful too so you don't rip the lace. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. We're gonna cut the lace. Where is the scissors? Where did you go? Let's start with the center. Okay, and I'm just gonna, you know, kind of cut in a jagged motion. We're gonna treat this thing just like we treat human hair, because why not? You know, it may not be human, but dang, it also wants to be human. And I'm cutting very close to the hairline. I will be taking out the combs because I don't need it, because the wig is pretty snug. It's got a shine to it as it. Whoa, look at my face. Look at my face, man. Girl, it looks nice though, doesn't it? All right, I'm gonna grab powder and just. I put too much, she says, while she puts more. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just grab mousse, just kind of tame flyway a little bit. This is actually a volumizing spray mousse, but it doesn't really volumize. And it's not my mousse. I don't know why I'm knocking it. It's not mine. It's Elizabeth's mousse, my sister's mousse. Ooh, yes, that tames the flyway a bit. All right, let me show you the back. I don't know if I combed the back properly, but the back is supposed to be a, you know, a cup back. I don't know what it looks like. What does it look like? Oh, yeah, see, that's how it's supposed to be. What's all of that? Oh, that's my skin. I mean, it's very nice and voluminous. You know what? I want to test the whole heat resistant claim they've got. Because why not? What else do we do on this channel other than test and give opinions? This has been plugged in, so it's hot. You can see the steam. Can you? Ooh, I can hear the sizzle. Ooh, whoa. Whoa, it actually lays different when you run straightener through it. Do you see that? This side compared to this side. I'm actually feeling it right now. The name of this wig is Brown Ombre Short Hair Synthetic Lace Front Wig, and this is 16 inches, and it's currently on sale for $42.99 US. And if you use the MsTopacJay 8% off code, you get another 8% off. I don't know how long that will be for. I don't think I'm earning anything from it. It's just for you guys to have discount. We're startable under 180 degrees Celsius. I don't know how many degrees Celsius my thing is. What is this? I don't know, Daddy. This is the GHD hair straightener, Sha. Please hold the call. I just remembered something. Let's put it right here. Yes. I think that looks bad. I don't know. I'm actually feeling myself a little bit. Yes. Okay. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think about this makeup. I'm sorry I kind of rushed through it in the morning. I don't know how much I rushed, but I know my mouth was moving faster than my brain. Okay. But I did try as much as possible to just kind of show you a little bit of the eyes, because it's mainly the eyes that you all were commenting on. Actually, I think the face as well. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup look, like the affordable-ish makeup and hair kind of video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think. And as I said in the beginning of this video, happy Easter. Okay, go to church, get your life, get it sorted. Okay, remember the real reason for the season. It's not just about the chocolate eggs, even though I've had 2, and it's not just about the bunnies. Okay, it really is about when Jesus died and rose again for us. He died, and you know, to give us more grace and privilege also before God as well. So just remember that. Okay, and if you don't believe in God, just let me be me. Okay, because I'm a child of God. Thank you very much. Hallelujah. Okay, thank you so much for watching once again. As always, whatever you're doing to love yourself, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my very next video by God's grace. Bye bye. I didn't show you the bottom. That's what the bottom looks like.
What's up? What's up? How you doing?
What are you doing here?
Hello, it's me. I had just come back from church and now my mic is not tall enough. It's not over. You can be free. I don't remember what I was gonna sing, but I am here to sing it, 'cause there's no difference between us. I am here with my ombre wig, and from the outside. Bye.